Today, we're tackling a common question: how to cancel your Shopify subscription. Whether you're taking a break from selling or moving to a different platform, canceling your account is a straightforward process. Just a heads up, canceling your subscription completely deactivates your store. This means your products and storefront won't be accessible to customers. But don't worry, Shopify stores data for 2 years after deactivation in case you decide to return. All right, let's jump in. Here's how to cancel your Shopify subscription. Log in to your Shopify admin panel. This is the backend where you manage your store. Navigate to Settings. You'll usually find this in the left-hand menu. Click on Plan. This section displays your current billing details. Under your billing information, you'll see a button labeled Deactivate Store. Click on that. If you're sure about canceling, click Continue. Briefly explain why you're canceling, optional, and enter your store password for confirmation. That's it. Your store is now deactivated and your subscription is canceled. There you have it. If you have any questions about canceling your subscription or anything Shopify related, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.